Hi everyone. Welcome to this LincStation tutorial. In this video, we'll quickly go through some important settings in LincOS. First, let's start with the language settings. Go to multi-language, then choose the language you want to use. Once selected, the system interface will switch to that language, making it easier to continue with the setup. Next, click My Device, then go to Device Settings. This is where you'll find the main device settings. The first option is Disk Sleep Settings. Here, you can set the disks to enter sleep mode after a certain period of inactivity, such as 30 minutes. This helps reduce power consumption and keeps the device quieter. Next is Reboot Device. You can use this option to restart the device after a system update or when the device is not running normally. Shutdown device is used to power off the device. If you need to unplug or move the device, it's recommended to shut it down properly here instead of disconnecting the power directly. Scheduled reboot allows the device to restart automatically at a specific time. This is useful if your NAS runs continuously for a long time. Scheduled shutdown allows the device to shut down automatically at a specific time. If you only use your NAS during certain hours, this can help save power. But if you need remote access or automatic backups, it's better to keep this disabled. UPS function is for users who connect the NAS to an UPS or uninterruptible power supply. When enabled, it helps protect the device and data more safely during a power outage. Backup user data is used to back up user data. Before updating the system or restoring factory settings, it's recommended to create a backup first. Restore factory settings will reset the system to its original state. Before using this option, make sure your important data has already been backed up. Next is LincStation additional functions. Cooling mode controls the fan and cooling behavior. There are 3 modes: automatic, silent, and full speed. Automatic lets the system adjust the fan speed based on the device temperature. This is suitable for most daily use. Silent keeps the fan quieter. It's a good choice if the device is placed in a bedroom, study room, or any quiet environment. Full speed runs the fan at a higher speed for stronger cooling. This is useful for heavy workloads, such as large file transfers, download tasks, or long-running services. For everyday use, automatic is recommended. Choose silent if you prefer lower noise, and choose full speed if the device is under heavy load. Finally, there is auto boot on call. When enabled, the device can automatically power on after power is restored. If you want your NAS to stay online for long-term use, it's recommended to enable this option. That's a quick overview of the essential settings in LincOS. For first-time setup, we recommend setting the language, disk sleep settings, and cooling mode first. Other options can be enabled based on your own usage needs.